Tech Deck grab bag review. Let's get into this, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Like always, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. It's greatly appreciated to know that you are all there and care to watch. Hope everything is well in your world. If it is not going your way, just remember that you are loved by me. Today, we purchased a grab bag for $5.49 at my local Value Village, and there is absolutely nothing but tech decks in there. So, oh my gosh, I'm choking because I'm so excited. Let's get right into this and see what kind of tech decks we get today. Boom, 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 boom. So I have absolutely no idea what the value of tech decks are. So these look to be first generation, if I'm not mistaken. Not like I really know anything about tech deck, like I said to begin with. But that one's a pretty sweet. Santa Cruz, always a good brand. There's a bunch of tech decks in this grab bag. What era, what age, I am not sure. Some of them look to be messed up, like this one. Not sure what happened here. Something heat related. Or is it just normal? I don't know. Comment and let me know. It's always appreciated. You tech deck. Ooh. Yeah. We finally got a good one. This one's I would say this is a modified one because it's got the full silicone. Both the wheels, I'm not sure if you upgrade the wheels, are they supposed to be grippy like gumball wheels? This grip is just absolutely amazing on the fingers, so I'll have to try this deck out here later. That is a score, in my opinion. Here's another one. Man, we just are getting a whole bunch of good decks. Santa Cruz. Toy machine. Not sure the ages, so if I'm thinking that we're getting a bunch of vintage ones, because this is a vintage one, if I'm not mistaken, based on the style, compared to this one. This is a later style tech deck compared to the first generation. I just had a couple off to the left off camera. I could be wrong, but you know, I'm no expert. I just know vintage toys, and I know I got a whole bunch of vintage toys for the cheap. Oh man, these are some unique wheels here. They're almost like longboard wheels. Oh my gosh, my camera really does not want to focus. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm trying to get you the good views of this deck. What else? We're just going to do all the ones that got wheels. Oh. Steve Williams. I have a pit bull. Her name is Doja. She's a sweet girl. She's silvery. She's only like a year old. The sweetest girl in the world. I'll have to do a short and let you all know what she looks like. She's my baby girl. Let's see what else we get. What is this? Ooh, we get some grip tape. Got fresh grip tape for a new deck if we need it. That's always nice. And then another vintage OG. Not sure what company that is. Just like, I mean, you know, I don't know like half of what these are. But, man, we keep getting, I feel, first gen Tech decks. Toy machine. Nice. Nice. Oh, look. There's the tech deck missing its grip. That's the one that it goes to. Your finger's going to slip all around without the grip tape. This goes with this. Boom. And then what is this one? Someone did a very unique cut job. I dig it. Still grippy enough for your fingers. Toy machine. I can't read what that says up here. I just can read toy machine right here. Well, still cool. And then, what is it? Ooh, another one. Another one missing the grip tape. Axle Crusher. Nice. And then, of course, we've got one here. That's another first edition or first gen. Hey, and we've got the stand with it, too, so we can enjoy it. Hell yeah. Well, was it a win? I think that was a win. What do you all think, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Let me know that you're there. Hit that thumbs up button. Become a subscriber. Leave me some comments, please, and thank you. Help me grow this channel together, everybody. Become a subscriber. You know you want to. Till next time. I love you all. Take care.